it was basically about how you can draw a basic chart. But in this lecture, like, I want to talk about how you can format the every fields that is available in the chart. So what are the fields first? This entire thing you see is called the chart area. Entire thing. This smaller things, this smaller square you see, this is called the plot area. That's very simple to know. A chart area is an area where the chart is placed. You can, if you can hover as well. See, chart area. This comes here. This is the chart area. Now, this is called the chart title. This is the title of the chart, like what you want to say about this chart, like why you have made this chart, what title you want to give this chart to. This is called the y-axis of the chart. This is called the horizontal axis or x-axis of the chart. This, like the category, you can see, you can hover over to every area and you can see the names as well. If you hover over every area, it will show you the names. Come on, this is okay, it's not showing here, but okay. Now this over here, you see, this is the categories, the data that's present over here. The height, like in the last video I had also said, this height represents the values. This is the legends, and this is the lines, which is just showing the values, like this below this area, this is the value, below this area, this is the value. So now, how we can format these values? To first thing, if I want to edit this name, just double click it. In the last video I have said, all talked about everything, how you can do this and how you can change the names and colors and everything. Here, if you want to do anything, just add whatever you want. It's up to you. This is good, so we'll leave like that. Now, if you want to change the color of these bars, these bars colors, you can just as soon as you click it, you see over here, you can find the colors, how you can do like that. Or there is another options, like if you go and click over here on the legend, so if you click here and see the color, so everything will be changed. Or if you see a data set where you want to talk about this specifically about this chart, so what you can do is just click on this, double click on this. Now only, you see, only one of these bars is been selected. Now if you change the color, so only that color will be changed. And this is how you can change the specific one. Same goes with this as well. You can just change and see whatever color you like, or you can change from here as well, doesn't matter. Then if you want, you can give the title to the axis as well, like you can say here that this is my month. Now these are the month, and so this is like the basic formatting. Or if you don't need these bars, these lines over here, if you want to remove this line, just go on to these lines, like just select these lines and press the backspace, and the lines are gone. So this is like the basic formatting. And if you want to, like, just like in the last lecture I have talked about these all things, but if you want to see again, so this is how basically you can do, just change the colors and everything if you want to, if you want some other colors or something like that, so it's up to you. So yeah, this is basically how you can format your charts. In the next lecture we'll talk about the other charts that's available in the Excel, and from there on we will talk about the advanced Excel. So thank you.